Right, I'll have to keep this brief because I keep ranting and I keep going over the the length of the video. So, another terrible day. Unfortunately, we blown another account, and our other account that we don't really like trading because we were up nicely on it is we must be close to max drawdown on that, so that's probably going to blow soon. Yeah, barely recorded anything of what I did today because there just wasn't any point. Market barely moved. It just chopped around in the opening range, didn't do anything. No follow through on any move. What else? Yeah. So, future plan is I'm not buying another account yet. There's no point. I feel as though if I buy another account now, I'll just fucking blow it again. So we'll just have to paper trade. I think, which I think is a good idea. I think definitely a good idea because our discipline's so bad. Just recently, it's gone worse. It is getting worse. My discipline is getting really, really bad. I'm over trading like crazy, and I just don't feel there's just no good setups anymore. Like I look back at some of the, when I actually used to record my P&Ls, I look back at it and I look at it and I think like, when I look back at like the entire like of that month, and I just see all these green days, and I'm just like, where did that come from? Like, how did I do that? And I look at them all and they're like, my red days are like really, really small, like -80. But then my green days like +400 and shit like that. I'm just like, how did I do that? If I make 200 quid today, I fucking have to lock myself out because I know that I'm gonna lose it. If I'm 200 quid up, I have to stop. Otherwise, I know that it's gonna go, and I'm just gonna end up massively in the red. So yeah, I feel like setups that I used to like taking aren't working out anymore. Yeah. You look at this one, like I used to be quite good at trading bull flags and bear flags. On the 1 minute chart, the 2 minute chart. Now, I can't trade them. I don't know. Like even looking at this here now, like I know that we were running into the opening range high. I get that, but we've had this strong move up. We're holding VWAP and that EMA there. We've broken above previous candles high, and I know that previous candle there got rejected, came back down, but we are starting to move, but it just doesn't go. It won't go. Nothing will go for me at the minute. I feel like I'm putting trades on with a hope and a prayer. I'm not actually. I don't know. And then I'm over trading like crazy and just really struggling to consistently take good trades. Even like just 10-point trades, I just can't get them. Can't get them. I feel like I don't know what I'm looking at. I feel like I'm just looking at a mess constantly in the charts, and I have no idea whether it's going up, down, or what. I just end up guessing, and I shouldn't be trading it. That's the key thing, but I can't not. So we'll have to paper trade. We are going to have to paper trade because I'm not fucking about anymore. Strategies aren't working for me, so we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board.